Hello dear traders, this is Petko Alexandrov and I continue now with placing a stop loss for my position. And actually for the three entries which I have described already, I use one and the same stop loss, and I use different methods to take the profit, which I will explain later. So the stop loss should be on a safe place. Alright, this is very important. Let me go to the full screen mode one more time, and here is our setup recently. What you see is that the price actually went against me a little bit. We had the cross, I entered on the cross right over here, but still it didn't reach this counter trend line. It's going now towards the trend line which we have from below, so we will see what will happen over there. However, you can see that here is the retracement level of the Fibonacci, which I have explained as well. So it is absolutely normal for me if the price pulls back to these levels and continue upwards. Of course, there is the chance that the price will just go against me, and this is why I need to have a stop loss level where I will exit the trade. Now normally with this system I put the stop loss below the recent low that we have, and as well if we have support or resistance important level around here, I will place it even below for the long trades and I will place it above for the short trades. But over here you can see at this level we have these two lows where actually the Fib started, so I would place my stop loss just below it, and this would be somewhere at about 7,450. and as I said, the round numbers always matter, so 7,450 is still round number for me. Everything with 1,000, with 100 and even with the 50 is a round number. So if I have to place a stop loss somewhere around the round number, I would place it just below it, so I would place it at 7,440. So this way it is below these recent lows, below this low, and if the price goes below these levels, then I want to be out. My trade is disapproved, the setup is disapproved. It happens, okay? I have that in mind. You need to keep that in mind as well. It happens that we will have a loss because every strategy has its losing trades. Don't look for the strategy that you will have only profits, because you will not find such a strategy. Okay, so I will show you now how to place the stop loss at 7,440. Alright, here is my position, and here I have the edit button. So when I click on it, you can see I have add stop. We said it would be at 7,440. I click on save and the position is edited. I have it at 7,440 right about over here. Alright, so this is where I would have my stop loss even if I enter with the three entries, but so far I have only one entry. I hope I will be able to catch an example with the three entries so I can show you how I trail the stop loss. And what I do is to move the stop loss when I have a new high formed. Alright, let me just take one line now to draw and to show you what I mean. This is how I move my stop loss and this is how I manage the stop loss. So you can see right here is the recent high. This one failed to take, so it's a failure of this recent high. And then if the price now goes upwards towards my entries, this high will be broken and I will move my stop loss from 4,440 just below this level of 7,740. Okay, below this recent low, but I don't move it until this high is reached. So some people make the mistake to move the stop loss when they see a higher low, but it is wrong to do it before this recent high is broken. Okay, when it is broken, if the price goes above these levels, then this higher low is confirmed, because anyway if we move it like this, it might be too early and the price might continue lower. but when it breaks the recent high, this gives us the sign that we can move our stop loss. And same thing repeats. If the price continues higher, I will bring it to the next higher low when a new high is formed. And I hope I will catch an example which will demonstrate this to you. Thank you for watching, and let me know if you have questions about where I put my stop loss. Cheers!